If you're a business owner and you're struggling to find consistent clients every month, I'm going to show you how to fix that. The first thing you want to do is you want to set up an account with Google Ads. With Google Ads, you can make sure that your website pops up every time somebody searches for a particular keyword. For example, if you're selling auto insurance, you can go to Google's keyword planner, you can type in auto insurance, and you're going to get real-time data of all of the searches people are making for auto insurance and anything that's related to auto insurance. Maybe like full coverage or just liability, or maybe multiple cars, or maybe just one car. I'm sure you get the point. Once you figure out the keywords that you want to target, you also want to keep in mind the competition for those particular keywords. Remember, there's other businesses all throughout the world also wanting to make sure that their website or that their advertisement pops up. And then you also have to remember that every time somebody clicks on your advertisement, Google's going to charge you. And you can know ahead of time how much it's going to cost when you do keyword research. With Google's keyword planner, you're going to see how much it costs for every keyword that you want to advertise for. It can range from $1 all the way up to $300. So you definitely want to keep in mind your financial budget, and you definitely want to keep in mind how much it'll cost per click. Once you get all of that down, you want to make sure that you have a landing page. Your landing page is only there to collect their contact information, like their name, their phone number, and their email. That is it. You don't want them clicking on another website. With this strategy, you're going to be able to collect so many phone numbers, so many emails, which are basically leads, and you can call them and you can turn them into paying customers.